The situation around Nnamdi Kanu has continued to draw strong attention across Nigeria because every legal move connected to his case seems to carry wider meaning for our politics, governance, and public opinion. What many people are watching closely now is how the decisions linked to the Supreme Court of Nigeria and other courts are shaping conversations not only in government circles but also among community leaders, civil society, and ordinary citizens who want to understand what this moment means for the country. As the developments unfold, many observers describe the situation as a turning point because the legal journey has been long, complex, and filled with moments that changed expectations. Each ruling has influenced how people think about justice, dialogue, and the balance between security and national unity. This is why discussions have become intense in political spaces, media platforms, and public forums where people are trying to interpret what comes next. If you are following this story closely, please like this video and subscribe so you can stay updated as we continue to break down every detail in clear and simple language. One of the key reasons the conversation remains active is that the case is not viewed only as a legal matter. Many see it as part of a broader national conversation about inclusion, trust in institutions, and how leadership responds to sensitive issues. When court decisions are announced, they are often followed by reactions from political figures, traditional leaders, and analysts who offer different perspectives on what the outcomes mean. At the center of government decision-making is the administration of Bola Tinubu, which faces the challenge of managing legal processes while also maintaining stability and public confidence. Supporters of the government emphasize the importance of allowing institutions to operate independently, while others call for broader engagement that includes dialogue and reconciliation efforts. Please remember to like this video and subscribe because your support helps us continue bringing clear, and balanced updates. Many Nigerians are asking important questions. They want to know whether the legal process will continue without interruption, whether there could be new appeals, or whether there might be conversations aimed at easing tensions. These questions show how closely people are following events and how deeply they care about outcomes that affect national harmony. Another important aspect is the role of public sentiment. Across different regions, people express a range of views shaped by personal experiences, community discussions, and interpretations of the law. Some focus on the need for strict adherence to legal procedures, while others highlight the importance of dialogue that addresses underlying concerns. As these conversations continue, analysts often point out that moments like these test the strength of democratic institutions. They show how systems respond under pressure and how leaders communicate with citizens during periods of uncertainty. The way information is shared, explained, and debated can influence public trust and shape future expectations. If you are finding this explanation helpful, please like this video and subscribe, and stay with us as we go deeper into the story. Looking at the timeline, the case has moved through several stages that each carried significant implications. Legal arguments, court rulings, and public statements have all contributed to an evolving narrative that continues to attract attention both within Nigeria and beyond. Observers often note that long-running cases like these tend to become symbols of larger debates, reflecting wider questions about governance and national direction. There is also growing discussion about how community leaders are responding. In many conversations, there is emphasis on calm engagement, respect for the law, and the importance of peaceful dialogue. Statements from respected voices often call for patience and constructive communication, reminding people that lasting solutions require careful consideration. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe because we will continue to follow every angle of this story. The broader political environment is another factor shaping reactions. When major legal developments occur, they can influence alliances, policy discussions, and strategic planning among political actors. This is why analysts sometimes describe such moments as shifts in the political landscape, where decisions in the courtroom echo in legislative chambers and public debates. At the same time, many citizens are focused on practical concerns. They want stability, economic progress, and a sense that national issues are being handled responsibly. For them, Understanding how high-profile cases connect to everyday life is important because it helps them make sense of the news and its impact on the future. The conversation also highlights the importance of clear communication from authorities. When officials explain decisions and outline next steps, it can reduce uncertainty and help people feel informed. Transparency plays a key role in building confidence, especially during periods when emotions and opinions are strong. If you want more clear updates like this, please like this video and subscribe, and share your thoughts as well. Another point that often comes up is the role of legal teams and the possibility of continued court actions. In complex cases, legal strategies may evolve as new arguments are presented and procedural steps unfold. But this means the situation can continue to develop over time, with each stage attracting renewed attention. Observers sometimes compare this moment to other periods in Nigeria's history when legal and political issues intersected in ways that required careful management. These comparisons help provide perspective and remind people that challenges can be addressed through patience, dialogue, and respect for institutions. Many commentators also stress the importance of unity. They note that while opinions may differ, maintaining peaceful discussion and mutual respect is essential for national progress. Conversations that focus on solutions rather than divisions can create space for understanding and cooperation. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe so you remain part of this ongoing conversation. And there is also interest in how international observers view developments. Because Nigeria plays a significant role regionally and globally, major legal stories often attract attention beyond its borders. This adds another layer of importance to how events are managed and communicated. In discussions across media platforms, people often explore possible scenarios. Some believe the legal process will continue steadily, while others think there could be opportunities for broader engagement that addresses concerns raised by different groups. These perspectives show the range of expectations and the complexity of the situation. The case also reminds many Nigerians of the importance of civic participation, staying informed, engaging respectfully, and supporting constructive dialogue are ways citizens contribute to a healthy, democratic environment. Public interest in this story reflects a desire to understand and shape the direction of national conversations. If you appreciate this clear breakdown, please like this video and subscribe because your support keeps these updates coming. As we continue to watch developments, it is clear that decisions made at this stage will have lasting implications. They may influence how future issues are approached and how institutions respond to challenges. This is why careful analysis and thoughtful discussion remain important. Many people are also reflecting on lessons that can be learned. They consider how communication, leadership, and legal processes can work together to strengthen confidence and promote stability. Such reflections help build a deeper understanding of how complex situations can be managed effectively. The ongoing attention shows that the story is far from over. Each new update adds another layer to a narrative that continues to evolve. Observers remain focused on signals from courts, government officials, and community leaders as they look for indications of what may come next. Please like this video and subscribe so you do not miss any part of this detailed coverage. At this point, it is important to recognize that public conversations often shape the environment in which decisions are received. Constructive dialogue can help reduce tension and encourage solutions that reflect shared interests. Many voices are calling for calm engagement and thoughtful consideration as events unfold. And the story also highlights the resilience of institutions and the role they play in guiding the nation through complex issues. When processes are followed carefully and transparently, they can provide a framework for resolving disputes and maintaining order. People across the country continue to watch closely, discussing developments with family, friends, and colleagues. These conversations show how deeply connected citizens feel to national events and how strongly they value clarity and fairness. If you are still with us, please like this video and subscribe and stay tuned as we continue to examine every detail. The coming period may bring further updates, and each one will likely generate new discussions about the direction of the country. Of the First, the observers emphasize the importance of staying informed through reliable information and maintaining a balanced perspective. As attention remains focused on the situation, there is hope among many that continued engagement and respect for institutions will guide the process toward outcomes that support stability and progress. The emphasis on dialogue, patience, and understanding continues to be a common theme in many conversations. Please remember to like this video and subscribe so you can keep following this important story with us.